Hi everybody, welcome back to Improve Your Health with Brandy. Today we're talking about rowing machines. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't like to exercise. So I like to find the most effective workouts that don't seem like work. For example, yoga and rowing machines. I first started using rowing machines when I worked at a gym. I tried the treadmills and the ellipticals and stationary bikes, but they just didn't work for me. When I stopped working at the gym, I wanted a machine to use at home. An exercise machine that allows me to get a full body workout in my own home. According to an article in the Washington Post, rowing works 86% of muscles in the upper and lower body. And according to Shape.com, using a rowing machine, you'll use up to 50% more calories than using an elliptical or a treadmill. And another great point is that anyone can benefit from using a rowing machine, not just people with tons of upper body strength. In the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how easy this rower is to use, how easy it is to assemble, and tell you how you can save money by purchasing a rower instead of going to the gym. We'll talk about that part first. As I've mentioned in a previous video, depending on where you go to the gym, they charge you a sign-up fee and they charge you a monthly fee. But if you purchase the equipment to use at home, especially if you're an introvert like myself and don't like going to the gym, you can get a full body workout for around $100, depending on what type of machine you purchase, and it'll pay for itself in a couple of months, especially if your gym charges you a $200 sign-up fee or whatever it is. Now, there are different types of rowing machines for every budget. I purchased the Stamina Inmotion Rower, which is perfect for me because it was in my price range, somewhere around $100, and it was very easy to put together. Okay, so the rowing machine I purchased was the Stamina Inmotion Rower. It has a fitness monitor that comes off. When you click mode, it tells you how many you've done, how long you've been working out, or how many calories you've burned. It takes one AA battery, and it just fits up there like that. It only takes a few nuts and bolts to put this thing together. Put the feet on with the nuts and bolts that were included, and then the foot pedals. They have adjustable Velcro so you can slip your feet in and out real easily. Now this one's a hydraulic rowing machine, so you have to be careful when you use it because this will get hot and you can burn your leg or your hand. And then these knobs, you twist them and adjust them and then tighten them back. And then for easy storage, you lift it up and you can hide it in a closet. You have 4 and 2 bolts underneath the seat, and that's pretty much all you have to do to put this thing together. And then to use it, all you do is adjust the foot pedals. Grab the handles, push back with your legs, and that's it.